Today, let's dive into something that's been buzzing around lately, the idea of experts entering politics. It's been suggested that specialists, whether in science, law, or even sports, should take on political roles. But is that really a good idea?
That's an interesting topic. I mean, experts are great at what they do, but when they start making decisions on politics, things could get complicated. Experts aren't necessarily skilled at compromise or negotiation, which are key in politics.
Exactly. Politics isn't just about knowledge, it's about handling different opinions, making concessions, and finding middle ground. Experts may struggle in this area because they are used to being the ones with all the answers.
Yes, and when experts step into politics, they risk losing their core expertise. A doctor or engineer, for example, is trained to solve specific problems, not to navigate the delicate art of politics. Politicians need a different skill set, one that balances the needs of the public, not just facts or data.
That's true. The political world is about understanding people's emotions and needs, not just facts and figures. You have to read the room, know when to be firm and when to be flexible. It's about leadership, not just knowledge.
Right? And when these experts try to get involved, they sometimes forget the essence of politics, compromise and empathy. It can backfire because the public wants leaders who can connect with them, not just provide solutions.
Exactly. And let's not forget the age factor in politics. There's a reason why most successful politicians have gained experience over decades. Early on, you're learning and building up your knowledge, but it's not until later in life that you're really able to apply that experience effectively.
Absolutely. Politics needs maturity and understanding of society. Someone in their 40s or 50s has had time to learn and gain a perspective that younger individuals may not yet have. They've dealt with real-world challenges and have honed their skills to negotiate and make difficult decisions.
And that's why it's important for younger people to first work on their careers, their expertise, and then later transition into public service. They need to build a track record of success and social service before stepping into politics.
Yes, and politicians who have a history of service, whether through community work or business, are often more effective. It's not about getting the job for fame or power, but about serving the people.
Exactly, and once you've served in politics for a while, you don't necessarily have to stay there forever. After your term, you can still contribute to society, perhaps by mentoring, guiding, or running foundations. Politics is just one phase of a broader social responsibility.
Right? And while experts in fields like science or sports may be admired for their knowledge, politics requires a completely different mindset. Just because someone excels in their field doesn't mean they can transfer those skills directly to governing.
It's about the bigger picture. The people who succeed in politics are those who understand the dynamics of society. They've been around long enough to know that governing is not just about the facts. It's about understanding people's feelings, needs, and creating solutions that work for everyone.
Well said. It's a long-term commitment to understanding both the facts and the people. Politics is not something that can be mastered overnight, and it takes more than just being good at a single thing.
Exactly, so maybe we need to rethink this trend of pulling experts into political roles without considering the unique demands of the job. What do you think? Should we reconsider this approach?
I think we should. Experts can absolutely advise and guide politicians, but when it comes to leadership and making political decisions, we need people who have that political experience and empathy. Experts should stay experts, and politicians should stay politicians.
Agreed. It's about knowing where to draw the line and making sure that the right people are in the right positions. Leadership in politics is about understanding people, not just solving problems.
Exactly. And once experts understand this, they can make a real difference by contributing to politics from the outside, guiding the decisions made by those who are in the trenches.
Well, that wraps up today's conversation. A bit of food for thought on how we approach political leadership and expertise. What do you all think? Is it time for a shift in how we select our leaders?